In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, pick any app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background, like that. Then click on those three dots at the top of it and select Split View section from this pop-up. Now tap on the second app you wanna use. And as you can see now, I can use both at once. If you wanna resize them, hold this gray line in the middle and drag one. If you wanna go back to full screen view of any of those apps and close the other one, hold the same line and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button if you want to exit this one as well. You can also go into split screen, and when you're done, go back into background apps and swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!